Top 10 questions to ask on your customer feedback surveys. The key to understand your users' feelings and to utilize this data successfully is to ask the right questions. And in this video, I will show you the key questions to ask so that you can get the most out of your surveys. Feedback surveys are a powerful tool to make meaningful decisions and data-driven actions. And they're a great way to keep your customers satisfied, engaged, and loyal to your brand. The questions that are in your forms are a game changer. So now let me show you how you can customize and add these 10 key questions on your customer feedback survey. Okay, so let's start by opening the templates gallery from your Formula dashboard. Here, as you can see, there are multiple feedback surveys. Today, let's use this one. And click on Use Template. Before we dive in, let me show you very quickly how you can customize your form. Here on the left of the editor page, you can see all the different fields that you can add to your form. You can also delete fields here and use the drag and drop to rearrange the order of your fields. In the Design tab, you can change the theme and colors of your form, add a background image, and change the text on the buttons and messages. Awesome! Now let's add the top 10 questions to this form. The first one, let's use the score field, and as you can see, when you click a field, you can change its properties from the left menu. In the title of the field, to better understand your customer's overall satisfaction, you can ask, how satisfied are you with our service or product? And here you can change the minimum and maximum score. Let's change the maximum to 10. Great! For the next question, to ask how easy your website is to use, you can use the single choice field and change the title to how effortless was it to navigate or use our service or product or website. And here you can add the options, so for example, very hard, hard, easy, very easy. Let's do the same for the next question and use the single choice field, but this time ask, how visually appealing and user-friendly is our service or product or website? And you can add these options, very, not really, not at all. You can also add an image for each option to make it more friendly. It's also important to ask about the performance of your product to your customers. So let's use again a single choice field and write, did our service or product meet your expectations in terms of speed and responsiveness? For the options, let's enter yes and no. Remember to ask about the features and functionality of your website, again with a single choice field, but this time there is none left to customize on the form. So let's add this field from the left side of the editor page, right here. Great, in the title you can write, did our service or product or website offer the needed features and functionalities? And add your options like, for example, strongly agree, disagree, strongly disagree. Next up, ask about your customer support, and you can do so by using a CSAT field, and this form has two, so let's customize this one. Change the title to how satisfied are you with the level of support provided by our team, and here you can choose an icon. Today let's use this one. And of course, asking about improvement suggestions is key data. So make sure to add this question using a long text field so your customers can enter their answer easily. Are there any specific areas where we can improve our service or product or website? Great, and you can deepen insights by asking about the value for money. Let's add a single choice field and add in the title this question. Do you feel that our service or product or website provides good value for the price? And enter your options like these, for example. Strong yes, yes, no, strong no. You can better understand your market and customers' preferences by customizing this score field for competitive advantage and add this question. How does our service or product or website compare to similar offerings in the market? And end your survey to inquire about your customer's likelihood to recommend using a score field. Here you can ask this question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our service or product or website to others? And finally, remember to delete the questions that you don't want to appear on your survey. And voila! In this video, we went through the most important feedback form questions. But it doesn't end there! There are some easy steps that you can take to track your feedback form audience to improve their experience. Watch this video right here to learn how to track your form audience. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!